I've been to one of Jamaica's most beautiful beaches on rainy days, sunny days, and everything in between. And honestly, every single time has been a great decision. Puerto Seco Beach keeps pulling me back, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. Puerto Seco Beach in Discovery Bay is the kind of place that makes you feel like you've been upgraded. Think golden sand, clear blue-green water, lounge chairs, pool, showers, manicured lawns with actual artwork, and a very clean and large parking lot. This is not your average beach spot. This is a whole experience. Puerto Seco is a tourist beach. There is an entrance fee, and it has all the bells and whistles. But here's the thing. Sometimes you want the bells, sometimes you want the whistles, and sometimes you just want to show up and have everything sorted for you. The entrance fee makes that possible. It's all right there. I've walked onto that big, beautiful beach on cloudy, rainy weekdays and had the whole thing practically to myself. Golden sand stretching in both directions, blue-green water, and a DJ spinning music in the background, keeping the vibes alive. Also been there on gorgeous sunny days, and the water hits different when the sun is lighting it up. Either way, I always have a good time. That's just the Puerto Seco effect. If this is giving you the urge to take a beach day, tap that like button right now. It tells me you want more of these hidden and not so hidden Jamaican gems, and it helps more people find this channel. Now back to Puerto Seco. Let's talk about the details that really set this place apart. They have private cabanas you can reserve. If you want your own little corner of paradise, shaded, comfortable, and away from everyone else, that option exists. And wait staff will come directly to you. Food, drinks, or another red stripe. And if you're the type who likes to plan ahead, good news. You can contact Puerto Seco in advance to purchase packages and make reservations before you even set foot on the sand. Private cabana? Book it. Water sports? Sort it out ahead of time. There is a full restaurant, a jerk spot, a bar, a dedicated red stripe beach bar, and a souvenir shop. Whenever I visit, my order is always the same: jerk chicken and a sorrel red stripe. One thing to know before you go: no outside food is allowed inside. You can bring water and fruits, and they will check your bag at the entrance. The facilities are genuinely impressive. Modern, clean, and well-maintained. If you love a polished beach experience with golden sand, clear water, music, and full luxury vibes, Puerto Seco is absolutely your spot. Go on a busy day and expect a crowd. Catch it on a quiet weekday, and you might just have paradise to yourself. I'll drop their contact information in the description. I keep coming back, and once you go, I think you'll understand exactly why. If you want to experience this place for yourself, or if you want us to plan the whole trip for you, join our email list using the link below or send us a message directly through our website. We put together tours for people who want to go beyond the resorts, and we would love to take you there.